Okay, I'm gonna just show you really quickly where the account categories are. So I'll go to accounts and leads, and I'll search for an account. Oh, I don't have a test account. Oh, there we go. I will press edit, and then we'll scroll down. We'll see contact sales, notes. These are attributes where you can change any of the other general information about the accounts. We'll keep scrolling. This is where the description would be, and then down here you'll see categories. So this is where I can check it's dining, it's American. If sports was checked and I didn't want it to be there anymore, I would uncheck it. So these are all of your categories. So anything that you check or uncheck here will reflect on the front end.